Osman, how was the jump? Oh fuck! Ow! Oh my god!
Apa katse?
No, but oh fuck! What's up, babies? It is raining heavily. We have Osman here and Rafsan here. Osman, are you vlog ready?
No.
Where's your vlog ready?
There you go. Now look at me. Look at me. Give me that. Give me that look, bro.
What's up, everybody? I thought I would do that because I see everyone doing it. Anyways, we're going actually to a waterfall today. After we came back from Vermont, we were like still pumped up to like go to these places. And today originally we were supposed to go to Lake George, but that didn't happen because it's raining, as you can see. But we were like, let's just go to a waterfall and we can like do that jumping off the cliff kind of thing over there. We're right now in the city, Manhattan, but my friends just went out to grab food. We also have to pick up one more person. You'll see who that is in a bit. I think we have like three options of the waterfall. We have three options. We have three waterfalls in our mind. We have three options of waterfall that we want to go to, but we are still picking which one to go to. Most likely it's gonna be Fawn's Leap. I really liked that. Like the place looks amazing. Like I saw a video on YouTube and I really want to go there and I want to jump off the place, but let's see. Depends. Hopefully we'll have a great time. But yeah, I wanna record this whole thing and yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, stay tuned.
Whole gang is here.
Hey, but hey, bade udah coba.
No, it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand. I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go. Just been there all along. You should go back.
Fabian,
Huh?
where are we going?
Beach bash or bash beach?
Beach Bash Fall. Beach Bash Fall, no parking or area use, sunset to sunrise, play safe, Where right now? Where are we, Fabian?
Bash Beach Falls.
We're in Bash Beach Falls. We're changing, and then we're gonna go to the falls part. I mean, to the part where of the fall is. I think you have to like walk this way, but I'm confused. There's so many bugs. I forgot to bring my bug spray. But this place is actually really beautiful. Like, there's like trees everywhere. I'm really hoping. Oh wait, there it is. It says right there. Hold on. Right there. I'm probably not gonna take this camera because it's heavy and it's too much equipment to carry while hiking. I'm just gonna take my phone. And I guess we're finally here. There's so many mosquitoes in this place. We've been hiking for a very long time now, and we're still hiking. I don't know how long do we have to hike for. I said hike like too many times. So this damn. we're gonna go over there. We are deciding to like go all the way there, but I don't know if that will happen. For now, we're just like trying to like swim in the waterfall. The pool, the little pool. There's a spot over there where you can jump, but I don't know if I want to do it. Kind of scared. Okay, the 4 quarters. Okay, go for it. Throw it. Yeah. I'm a lump. We're now heading back. There's Fabian trying to hike his way up. I guess we're gonna stay here a little bit more and then we're gonna head back. Osman, how was the jump? Oh fuck! Ow! Oh my god!
I forgot it.
No, but oh fuck! Oh my god! After almost killing myself, we then headed back to the parking lot where our car was parked, and then we got really hungry, so we had to get some food. We went to this local pub. The food was so good over there. Like they had this big ass burger, 10-ounce burger actually, steak burger, and they also came with fries and beer, and all for like 10 bucks. Like it was so great. Like I wish we had that in New York City, but we don't. By the time we got out, it was already dark outside, but the moon was so... It was really good. I wish I could have like taken a better shot of it. I didn't have my zoom lens, but this is all I can give you. Yeah, I know this video is gonna be really crappy, but I just wanted to do something. I'm still in the learning process of making these travel videos. I know I'm gonna be traveling a lot in the future. I have some really awesome trips coming up, and I hope that I'm gonna be getting better at making these videos, because this one is really shitty, I know it, but I just wanted to get it out there and show you guys how awesome this trip was. It was more awesome for me than I think I was able to show, but hey. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you want to see more of these travel videos in a more better version, subscribe. I'll probably be making more of these. Yeah. Peace.